Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting video from Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to show you how can you sign up on GoCardless. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browser that you use, and after opening the browser, just simply search for GoCardless. And after searching GoCardless, this site of gocardless.com will appear. Simply open that site, and after that you will get a bunch of options into this page. First of all, you just simply have to tap to sign up, and after tapping into sign up, just simply enter your business name and location into the top, and after that choose your business type from here. And after entering those two details, enter your email address and set up a password which is strong enough to protect your account. And after entering the password, just simply check this box for I agree the terms and conditions, and then tap to sign up. And just simply after filling up all these details and tapping into sign up, your account will be created or you will be signed up to the GoCardless. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.